Welcome back to this amazing tutorial. Now, as you can see, we are going to continue from the previous stage we stopped. Now let me just design a flyer of a beauty salon, or how do we call it. Now please, I want you guys to follow up. So I want to add a text to it. I'll just click on A plus, then edit. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to this important event. Any moment from now, this program will commence. Can you see? I'll press OK. So I want to add font, and I'll reduce the size also. Let me reduce the size. Then I'll add font. Please, let's follow that. Let me use this. Then move it to this side. I want it to be in this side. Now I want to add color to it. Which color do I want to use? Let me use this. Let me use this. No, let me use this. Now I want to add something to it, a shape to it. See how I'm going to add. See what I'm trying to do. See what I'm trying to do. Let me just place it here. Now I want to add stroke to it. Can you see? Now I want to make the stroke. This is the color. I want to make this white. Then the stroke, color of the stroke should be yellow. Can you see? I'll press OK. Then I'll send to what? Send to the back. Can you see what we have? Now because I did not change the color of the rectangle, that's why we are having it here like this. So I decided to leave it here like this. This is how I want it. Now you can now adjust it. Let me see. I want to adjust it like this. Now I think it's perfect like this. Now you can also shift it up. You can shift it up anyhow you want it. I think it's okay like this. Now let us just add our services. Let's add our services. Now before that, see what I'm going to do. I'm going to add another rectangle. So then I'll change the radius. I'll reduce the size. Then this is what I have. I'll add text. Our services. Can you see? Then I'll bring it here. Now I want to change that rectangle to the color of that rectangle. I'll just come here and change it to what I want it to be. I'm okay with this. Can you see? I want to change the color of the text. When you have clicked on the text, it will take you back to A. And if it not take you back to A, just click on A. Then go to color, change the color. Can you see? So I want to change the boldness. I want to put boldness. Click on B. These are boldness. So let me just. So this is okay like this. Let me just adjust it. See the way I'm adjusting it, sending it to phone. Now our services. What service do we render? Now I want to duplicate this because I'll be needing it. Use one, another one. As many service, you click it again. I think I'm okay with that. So let me just reduce the size of this. We are in 50. Let me reduce it. It's okay. Click on the second one, reduce it again. 48. Can you see? We have it. Now you can now change the color of this one. Can change the respective color of everything. Now I want this to be what? I want this to be. This is the color I want. Okay. Click on this to change the color. I decided to put yellow. Can you see? Let me use this. Can you see? Any color you feel like using. What color can I use again? Let me just use black. Now you can decide to add stroke to it. Let me add white stroke. Okay. Let me make this white and the stroke. should be black. That's okay by me. Let me add stroke to everything. You can see the way I'm adding stroke. You click it, stroke width. Can you see? Do the same for this. So edit, come to stroke width. Can you see? But this stroke is not visible. You can just change the color of the stroke so that it will be visible. Stroke color with yellow. Can you see? Let's change this stroke to also black. Hope you are following the. Can you see? Now you can now adjust it now. So anyone you are not understanding, please just talk. 48, 48, and 48 also. Now let's adjust it. Now let's send this. I want it to be perfect, so you have to be creative in everything you are doing. So this is what you have now. Now I want to type everything, all our services. Now click on A plus, then edit. Just follow. That's first one. Add it to this place. You can copy, edit. Can you see what I'm doing? Wig fixing. Okay. Nail fixing. Can you see? Can you see what I'm doing? Then copy again, edit, training, click on it. This is okay. Now what the next thing to do here is what you can now edit the text, add color to it. Let's first increase the size. Let's add. You want it to be bold, you click on bold. Can you see? Then change the color because the color is not visible enough. Can you see? That is good. Change this color to black. Make it to black. Then you come to this place, click on bold. Then you change the word. You change the font. This is the font you are using. Change this text also. Change it to yellow. You see? Yellow. Click on OK. Come to the font. Change it to anything you want. Depending on the taste of your customer and your business. Now the training last one. Bold. Then the color should remain black. Yeah, let's make the color black. Let's make it black. Can you see? So this is what we have. Now you can now adjust it. You can now adjust the size. Adjust the size. See, I'm adjusting it. Let me adjust this one too. You can see the way I'm adjusting it. This is not that. Then the last one. We adjust it. Now, can you see? Now, is our work perfect? Can you see? Now, I think it's perfect now. So, these are our service. What do we need again? We need the address and the phone number of the person. Now, come to import. When you click on import, now click on import, then come to this place. Click on the location icon. click on what? Click on OK. Then that is okay. Just move it to where you want your address to be. Let's reduce the size in this place. Can you see? I think 10 is okay. Now drag it, click on position, bring it down a little bit. And when you have brought it down a little bit, add your text. What location do you want to add? Can you see? Sorry for that. Edit. Now number 40, Ajibade Estate. Ade Estate, Sabo, Abeokuta, Ogun State. Can you see? You click on OK. Then you can now reduce the size. Reduce the size. Can you see the way I'm reducing the size? Bring it here. Adjust it. Reduce the size again. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. So you reduce your text, then you can edit it, try to bold it, add fonts to it. Let me use this. Can you see now? I want to add color to it. Which color should I use? Let me use this. I think I'm okay with this. So it depends on any color you want. Can you see? So we have this. Now we want to add our number to it. Now first of all, what I'll do is that all this one I'll merge it together. I'll click on this place, click on merge, then I'll merge everything together. This, this, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We merge. Okay. Then we come back. Now we have merged it. We can reduce it. Then we what? Can you see? Yes. Can you see? So just bring it up a little bit. Just adjust the size of this one. So we are okay with that now. Now next thing is to put our number, email, and all that. Now we are going to import the logo of our WhatsApp that we have downloaded. Now you can download the icon of your call icon. Let me show you the call icon here. I'll show you the call icon here. It's not here. I'll show you when I see it. It's not here. Now let's pick this first and make use of it. Okay. Can you see? It's transparent. Can you see? Now let's reduce the size. Send it down. Let's send it down. Now that's the way you are going to do for email, for number, for your call too. Just reduce the size, bring it to where you want it to be, then add what you want to add. It's very simple. First, download the icon from the PNG Wink or PNG Tree. That's another website too. So when you download it, remove the background from remove.png. You bring it here. Now let's put now let's put color. Now let's shift this to the front. Can you see? Now that's okay by me. I want to merge it together so that I can move the two together. I'll merge, click on merge, okay. Then can you see? Now what do I need to add again? I want to just put an image. Now click on this place. When you click on this image, you want to add this. Click on it. Can you see? Click on what? Then we have this. this. Click on another image you want. No, before that, let me go back. I want to do something. Just come to this. Let's come to this. Change it to what? Change it to circle. No, it depends on anything you want. Now let me reduce it. Let me reduce it. I want the stroke. Then I want to. It's okay. Then click on this to the back. Then you reduce this. Let's reduce this. Let's reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. No. So I think we are okay with that now. We are okay with that. Now let's reduce the size again a little bit. So we are okay with this because it needs to be perfect. Okay, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Then what else do we need to do? You can just add color to your work. Add color to it. Can you see? So if you like and if you don't like, you will remove the color. So it depends on your choice. Now I want to remove color. I don't need the color. I don't need the color. I don't need the color. So can you see? I don't need the color. So I add it. Now I want to lock it. I want to lock it. Lock this one too. Now add another one. Can you see? Change the stroke. Okay. So now import. We put another word. We put another. Let's click on this. Let's use this. Let's reduce it here. Let's just yes. I want to change it to circle. Can you see what I'm doing? So you can ask any question if you do not understand. So I want to merge this again. Let me merge it. This and this. I've merged them completely. Let me move them here. I want to merge this and this. Let me unlock them first before I now merge them. Now click on this. Crop. Change it to circle. It's okay like this. Crop again. Yes, I just want the face alone to show. I want the face alone to show. Can you see how I'm doing it? Then you what? Can you see? Then you take it up a little bit. Can you see? Now I want to crop it. Let's just merge it. Merge this. Merge this. And this. So we have merged it to like that. We have merged it to like that. Then we can now add the two together. Let me just send this. Click on this and send to what? Send to the back. Can you see what I did? We need to lock this one. That is the background. This is it. We need to lock it. So it will not move. It's not moving again. So this is what we need to move. Can you see what I'm doing? So that's it. That's how you can. Then you can